Hello everyone. We are going to present to you a case study based on a topic computer-aided process planning technique in casting industries. The case study is done by A. Karthik Raja, V. Divyanandan, G. Hariharan, final year mechanical. Our case study is guided by Mr. P. Sadish Kumar, Assistant Professor, Janssen Institute of Technology. Next slide. Introduction. CAP is a highly effective technology for discrete manufacturers with a significant number of products and process steps. The first step is the implementation of GT or FT classification and coding. Commercially available software exists to support both GT and CAP. As a result, many companies can achieve the benefits of GT and CAP with minimum cost and risks. The two reasons for this effect are cost are declining, which encourages partnerships between CAD and CAP developers, and access to manufacturing data is becoming easier to accomplish in multi-venture environments. Next, computer-aided designing increase the productivity of the designer. This is accomplished by helping the designer to visualize the product and its component subassemblies and parts, and by reducing the time required in synthesizing, analyzing, and documenting the design. To improve the quality of the design, a CAD system permits a more thorough engineering analysis, and a large number of design alternatives can be investigated. Design errors are also reduced through the greater accuracy provided by the system. Next. And this is the model of the diagram which I told in the two slides before. Next, computer-aided manufacturing. By the time computer use and design began, numerical control technology, NC technology, had matured to become cost-effective for applications in casting and machining. An important aspect in numerical control is part programming. A part program is simply a set of statements comprehensible to the machine control unit (MCU) that oversees light and tool movements and other auxiliary functions. In the case of components with complex geometries, many part programs had to carry out lengthy calculations for which it is logical to use computers. This gives rise to machine control units (MCU) with built-in microprocessors, the building blocks of computers. Next, computer-aided process planning. From this slide, Divyanandan will explain.
Computer-aided process planning. A number of cost-reducing with estimation approaches are available today for estimating product cost at design stage with the reduction of cost. The intuitive method is based on experience of the estimator. Process planning translates design information into process steps with instruction to efficiently and effectively manufacturing the product. As the design process is supported by many computer-aided tools, computer-aided process planning (CAPP) has evolved to simplify the process planning and achieve more effective use of manufacturing resources. Next, this is the diagram of previous paragraph. Next, CAPP benefits: reduce process planning and production lead time, faster response to engineer changes, greater process plan consistency, access to up-to-date information in a controlled database, improve cost estimating procedures and fewer calculation errors, more complete and detailed process plans, improve production scheduling and capacity utilization, improve ability to introduce manufacturing technology and rapidly update process plans to utilize the improved technology. Rapid stages are being made to develop generative planning capabilities and incorporate CAPP into a computer integrated manufacturing architecture. Next, finite element modeling (FEM). FEM is a numerical technique to find out the approximately solution of partial differential equation PDE as well as integral equation. The solution approaches is based on eliminating the differential equation completely or rendering the PDE into an approximately system of ordinary differential equation, which are the numerically integrated using standard techniques such as Euler's method or Runge-Kutta. FEM nowadays integrated with CAD software. FEM analyze allow user to virtually analyze or simulate the product with an actual condition and actual forces. Next, in this Karthiraja will explain.
Karthik Raja, explain.
Fourth one, post-process working. Next. Software used. The complete job estimation and costing are obtained by using software K from the project manager version 2.5. The main inputs to the software are as follows: part description with quantity and time of supply, raw material required in casting as well as in machining process required step by step for making the product, number of skilled workers and staffs with their wages. Conclusion. The research concludes that this approach to the CAP technique for cost reduction and quality improvement of casting products in CIM environment is the requirement for the present and future competition market for any organization. Because CAP involves deciding the methods, materials and machines for various steps required for the training labor and making the process plan sheet used in costing process at the early stage of the production of any casted product by using CAP software at single workstation. Hence, in this technique, a very low administration is required, which directly affects the cost of the product. Thank you.